So you're using that as your trigger?
Yeah, it has a trigger built in, so I have the flat part and way down.
So you only need one light for that big dog. In a white background with those dark colors, you really pop.
Yeah, I like the black fleece. It looks good. Just stay where you are.
There.
Almost impossible to walk on this and not fall over.
I don't want to be yelled at if I stay up.
You're getting yelled at.
You will if I walk across.
A photo bomb.
Yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'll be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If you wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me.
Look at the hair too.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
That's a great pose right there. You go back to that same pose, and then you bring your right hand up. Yeah, like that.
So do you have a contract for 2 years? Yeah. So you're pretty much obligated for 2 years.
Yeah. That's yours.
How old were you when you went over?
I was 25.
Oh, that's not too bad. I was gonna say, did your parents flip out?
Well, I would
They're
have
still going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, that pose looks good. There's your right hand over towards your, like that, yeah. I like that right there. Okay.